lockdown. So I'm here again in my kitchen. So I'm going to show you something very interesting today. And there is an occasion in our family to celebrate because my sister-in-law, means my brother's wife, she has given birth to a child, and I'm going to celebrate here in Silchar as we cannot go there in Guwahati to see that little one and take him in my hand. But still we are going to celebrate here in our house. So I'm going to make a sweet dish for him. So let us see how I can make it or how I can prepare it today. So stay tuned with me, stay till the end of this video. So do like, share and subscribe my channel and stay tuned with me. So viewers, I have started the preparation of making rasgulla. Here I have 1 liter of milk which is getting boiled, and now I will be putting vinegar so that it turns into chhena. And here I have put water in this pot where I am going to put sugar, and it will turn into syrup so that I can mash the chhena properly, and then I can submerge here in this syrup and it gets turned into rasgulla. So it's a little bit of time consuming factor, but still बनता है. It's a happy celebration time, so सब चलता है. Okay. So now I'm going to put a little bit of vinegar here in this milk. So we're getting fine chhena here. Am I able to show you, viewers? I can just show you. The milk, it has just turned into chhena, and now I am going to take this out. So viewers, I have taken out, I have separated the water from this chhena, and I have also rinsed it in cold water. I am again going to show you. Somehow I was recording but it didn't get recorded, so I am just showing you again. So this is how I washed it so that the extra water gets out of it and the taste of vinegar is also not there. So then I am now going to mash it with my hands. Viewers, we have got this chhena here, and now I am going to mash it properly so that no lumps are there. So we have to do it for near about 5 to 10 minutes, and then it will get turned very smooth, and then we can make small balls. And few people, they apply a little bit of flour like maida, but I'm not going to give any kind of thing here, and I'll directly put them there in that pot. So in the meanwhile, I'll also put a little bit of sugar there. And for this much of chhena, I think I'll get 10 balls, small balls of chhena, and then for that I need near about 700 grams of sugar. So though for rasgulla you don't require so much of sugar, but still I can get the syrup and also make some other sweet dishes tomorrow or day after tomorrow, as we are unable to have any sweet dishes here at home. So this time, this occasion has given us an opportunity to make some sweet dishes here. So I'm going to mash it, and slowly it will turn into smooth and fine, and then I'm going to show you the next thing what I'm going to do. Viewers, I am ready with my chhena. I have made them into balls, and they are near about 10. So I just told you from 1 liter we'll be getting 10 balls. So I'm also preparing here. The water is getting heated and there is sugar syrup. The sugar syrup is getting ready, and so we'll be dropping this here so that they can keep boiling and let me see how the outcome is. So this is for the first time I'm preparing this, and I am very much hopeful that they'll be fine. So there is a sweet shop near our house from where every time we go and buy Rasgulla there in Guwahati. But this time, so we don't have any sweet shop here nearby our house, so this is what I have an option for. So you can just see there's such a big pan and just 10 Rasgullas are getting boiled. Please don't get disheartened. You can make yourself how much you want to. If you want to make it with 2 liters of milk, or you can make it with more. But in this lockdown, I prefer to make it with 1 liter of milk, and I wanted to keep some milk in spare. So we have to wait till then, let it get boiled, and then I'll show you the final outcome. So viewers, you can see our Rasgullas are almost done. They have got doubled in their size, and I'll let it stay here for a while so that they can soak the syrup very well. And I'll also show you like one Rasgulla, how it has got here, the syrup gone inside. So I'll just show you. Wow, it's spongy, but you know, inside a little bit of this, it has to be cooked inside. So let them stay here for a while, and then we can have fantastic Rasgullas. So we are going to have a delicious party today. So viewers, you can also have them, you can prepare them at home, and they'll be fabulous. Don't use maida or any kind of thing, just directly chhena. You just smash it properly. You can then put it there in the syrup, and they'll be fine. They'll be absolutely fine. So it had been a wonderful evening today, and for the first time in my life I've made Rasgullas, but they were fantastic, and we are going to have them. We're going to enjoy in our house. So this is how you also can celebrate small occasions during the lockdown, and stay safe, stay at home, and do like, share and subscribe my channel for such other interesting videos. Till then, tata and bye bye.